Hi, this is Craig at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa, online at csrvsales.com. We are going to do a quick video walk around and walk through on a Primetime Manufacturing Avenger ATI Model 30MKB. Again, this is an Avenger ATI Model 30MKB. It is a two-slide rear bunkhouse model with some pretty amazing storage and bathroom and bunk space on this model, which we will get to see here in just a minute when we go in. There's an outside shower, backup camera prep, front side power awning, does have the LED light strip under the awning. Coming in the door here, you're going to see, first thing I'm going to show you is this closet, which is just huge. And I apologize for the audio and camera quality here. I'm just one guy on a phone doing my best, but look at that amazing closet. You can walk in, literally, walk into this closet. It is huge. All right. Coming on into the camper proper. You can see we've got U-dinette. That is a jackknife sofa. Kitchen area. Front queen bedroom. There's our 6 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. Entertainment center. TV is included on this model. And then look back here at our bunk and bathroom area. It's just huge. We'll start with the bathroom. Come around. Walk in. Look at it from the back. Even has cupboard space. Really phenomenal bathroom space for a travel trailer. Then you've got your bunk room. Now those will fold out and sleep 2 lengthwise. You've got area for a television here. And the upper bunk there. Back around, look at it this way. It's got its own closet space here as well. And now we'll come back up and look at the front master bedroom. Coming around. And of course there is storage under the bed as well. All right. This was a quick video walkthrough of the Primetime Manufacturing Avenger Model 30MKB, available at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa. Thanks for watching, and visit us online at csrvsales.com.